Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to talk about something which is very much linked to my previous discussion we had on circumstances and our response. So this concept directly comes off the book Seven Habits by Dr. Stephen R. Covey, and I've shifted it, or rather taken from it, and looked at it in my own perspective. So what we're going to talk about today is two areas: the circle of concern and the circle of influence. The circle of concern right now can encompass things that is in our control and out of our control. Our circle of concern, for example, could be the wider environment, environmental pollution, what's happening in the world right now, poverty, global crisis in terms of financial issues, terrorism, ethnic cleansing in certain countries, the current COVID-19 issue which is happening, and the issues related to other countries. All of this can fall into the circle of concern. Also, my job right now with the current crisis, whether I can secure it in the future, whether I will have a job left, or what's going to happen to employment, how am I going to fend for my family, my children's education in 5 years' time, what are the areas we need to look into mainly. All of this will fall into a circle of concern. Now, whilst we talk about the overall circle of concern, let me bring you back. Like I said before, the circle of concern will be full of things which is in our control and outside our control. Now let's look at a different circle. This circle is the circle of influence. The circle of influence is things that which we have control of or which we can influence. And in our life, when we keep working within our circle of influence, then we have more control in our life. We can bring that balance in our life. A quick example, in my personal life, something I can really relate to. My wife and I, we have a good relationship, and within that, I find there is something where, in terms of a certain behavior, that I'm not comfortable, where it annoys me in terms of what my wife does. And I feel every time that I feel, no matter what I try to do, no matter what the circumstances we are put in and how I choose to respond, in terms of my wife's attitude in this particular behavior, it's not changing. And it gets to me. So at a point I'm like, why can't she change? Why doesn't she change? Doesn't she see this? It's going to affect our relationship. If she changes, it's going to be so much better and we can have a better life. Now I could think that. Relating back to what I said before, the problem is out there and I'm thinking it needs to change out there for me to feel better. Rather, when I work within my circle of influence, inside, out, how can I look at this? I see my wife, I see this particular behavior, and then I decide, okay, let me change. Let me look at tweaking certain areas inside out in my behavior where I can influence my wife. So in this particular behavior, it could be something where we have had a disagreement, and every time we have a disagreement, my wife closes up and she doesn't open out, and I always want her to talk about it and come so that we can discuss things and open things out so that things will be sorted. But then in this scenario, when I work it inside out, okay, so I tell myself, this has happened again. And I muster up the courage, I walk in at the right time and I sit down at the right time. I change my behavior and I say, last evening I know this thing happened and I think it happened in the wrong way. Let's talk about it. I'm sorry because I think I'm the one who would have instigated it. And when I put it in that different manner and when I initiate that, chances are most likely that she will also respond to me positively, and then we will be able to address it, and things from there would work out in a very positive manner. Even if it doesn't, in terms of her attitude, I'll be influencing her step by step. It might happen again and again and for the third and fourth time. But if I'm consistent with my behavior, the next point, if I'm consistent with my inside out behavior, I'll definitely influence her positively. And it will come to a point where in future when this happens, she will automatically open out and we will be able to address issues in a much more clearer and better way, which will lead to peace of mind and more happiness. It is a deep learning area where you need to study it further and you can go into different steps. And in my detailed training programs, I go into this step by step. In general, in summary, what we need to keep in mind is there is a circle of concern, and within this circle of concern, there is a circle of influence. Let us work from inside out on things that we can control within our circle of influence. Don't waste your energy and time on things that you can't control. You're just going to go into burnout. Rather, put all of that energy and time into things you can control, and that is your circle of influence. And when you work within that, you have more power, and then you can gradually increase that influence. And once we do that, we are able to address more and more concerns in our life related to our family, related to external matters, related to so many other things. And we will be able to positively enforce change when we take it from an inside out approach. So this is something which I really wanted to talk about. It's linked up to my previous thought process as well. I really believe in these concepts. And something I wanted to share is these are all work in progress. I have failed miserably in most of these areas. But what's important is we keep trying and we keep improving ourselves. We keep striving. And when we do that, we'll become better and better at it. So I urge first myself and all of you to practice, to work within your circle of influence in your life and increase that influence so that you can make a positive change in your family and outside and in general to society. I wish you all the very best. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you like this video, it'll be awesome if you can like it, subscribe to my channel and share it with family and friends. Thank you so much. Be safe.